Everyone, my name is Jayesh Kadaria and I am here for sharing that what we have learned in the first week of basic entrepreneurship for engineers. And I have written some key points here. So let's start. First, first key point is experimental learning. Now, what is experimental learning? There are two types of learning. First one is theory learning, and second is to learn from the practicals. In theory learning, we are learning that all the facts, all the statement which are already are given or are proved. We are not finding any new solution or any new problem. In experimental learning, we try to learn by finding new problems, new solution within our surroundings. Second point is invention into value addition gives innovation. Now, what is invention? Anything which we create is invention. But if it doesn't provide any value addition, it is not an innovation. Innovation means something that is invented and has a value addition in it. For example, if we are creating anything that is worthless, but it is an invention, but it is not providing any value addition. The third point is problem worth solving. Problem was solving means there are so many problems which can be solved, but they are but solving them is a big time waste for growing economy or growing world. So that's why there are so many problems which we have to ignore because they are not so economically feasible or they are not so time efficient. So we have to solve all the problems that are worth solving. Now, fourth, what is design thinking? Design thinking, it is a human-centered approach to innovation that draws the designer's toolkit to integrate the need of people, the possibilities of technology, and the requirement for business success. It is used in solving big problems and it has the five types or we can say it has five ways for solving it. First one is empathize, second one is to define, third one is to ideate, and fourth one is to the prototype, and fifth is to test. Now we have what is fixed mindset, what is growth mindset. Fixed mindset means the person who is not trying to evolve himself with respect to time, or his mindset is not changing. He is not trying to fit in the today's time. And the growth mindset means a person who is trying to evolve, uh, who's trying to get more success in future, and are trying to adapt what are the changes that are happening in the world. Now, what are the different types of reasoning? What is reasoning? Reasoning means we have to think before solving any problem. So there are three types of reasoning which we have to think before solving any problem. First is inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning always gives general conclusion, which means it is not any specific or not any likely solution. It's just a random general solution. Second is deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning means it gives only specific solution, which means it gives only one solution. And third one is that's most important at abductive reasoning. It is based on the complete set of informations in order to come up with the most likely solution. In which in adaptive reasoning we have to get in the customer's problem, not not fit the solution according to the problem. We have to find the solution according to the customer. We have to just fit in the shoes of the customers, not try to fit a solution, not try to fit the solution to the customer's shoes. Now that's the point that we have studied in the first week of basic entrepreneurship for engineers. Thank you.